What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Woman raped 3 times using her story to give hope to victims of abuse. I was raped when I was 10, 14 and 17 and I blame myself. I thought I was the problem, Jasmine Fearon told News. However, she said that she is now at a place where she can use her ordeal to motivate persons who might be faced by similar traumatic incidents. I am not ashamed to tell people I have been raped. I went through it and now I can be here to tell my story and encourage somebody, especially now in 2020. When you see so many people going through these things, I cannot keep my life a secret. I have to tell them that the same God that helped me to overcome will help them, Fearon added. The 43-year-old, who hails from St. Andrew, said that she was raped by a man, family member, a friend, and a police officer. During that time, and because of the sequence of how it happened, I thought I was doing something wrong. So 3 times I tried to take my life, even when I was an adult, because it affected me. Wow. Jano Star. Fearon said that she has never tried to get her abusers arrested, added that she decided to let it go and let God fight her battle. The woman, who has resided in the Cayman Islands for the past 10 years, recalled growing up tough circumstances and not having a positive outlook on life until she had a baby. I had consented sex when I was 22 and I got pregnant with my daughter, and that was the first time I gave a man permission to have sex with me. My daughter was a life changer for me. I started to see meaning in life, Fearon expressed. I could not read until the age of 29 and I didn't let that stop me. I am now a student at the UA Open Campus in the Cayman Islands, doing courses in small portion to become a registered nurse. But I am working as a certified caregiver, she said. I also started my ministry, Power of Prayer, in November 2015, and it has been going well so far. 33 persons got baptized for they became a member. Fearon said she is on a campaign to bring hope to victims of abuse. Her message to them is, not your fault what you have been through. It is the work of the devil to let you feel shame and depressed. Even though you are in this position, you don't know what 10 years may bring. Get up and move. Don't be crippled. Jano Star. This lady, Jasmine Fearon, people, you understand, is such a real strong woman and a real testimony. You know what I mean? And it's just sad, people, to know how you have some wicked culprits and some wicked man there in a Jamaica. Zine, imagine this lady stated, you know, people, that she was raped, you understand, by a man who is a family member. You know what I mean? And also a police officer, also a close friends. And all of these men are, you know what I mean, adults. At the age, people, just think about it, right? Looking into the whole of this thing, you know. She raped 3 times at the age of 10, 14 and 17. You know what I mean? Just to show you how wicked people can be in Jamaica, in the world. You get me? And I bet these man is walking up and down day by day, people. And maybe right now, even the police still serving in the force. You know what I mean? People, wicked people out there. That's all I can say. And Miss Jasmine Fearon, thanks so much for this story. And I hope I can share this story and it helps to motivate a lot of women out there to be strong. And it's not the end of the road. So don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers. This is NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And we say attack. Blessings, peace, and respect. Big up.